It's in our neighborhoods. It's in our schools. And it's in their rooms. Ignoring it won't help. Trying it once is all it takes. Speak to them. Let them know about the dangers of electronics repair before it's too late. Time is ticking. It could be something as mundane as upgrading their computer storage with an SSD. But then it's a CPU upgrade, a phone screen repair, replacement of the batteries in your Tesla, an unshakable addiction that will burden them for the rest of their hopeless lives. A message from lobbying groups against right to repair.